In today's video, I will show you how to do on-page SEO on a Blogger and WordPress blog. I will tell those who will do on-page SEO on a WordPress blog to install RankMath SEO plugin. And if you install this plugin, you will understand what you need to do on-page SEO. And there is no need for this plugin for those who will post on Blogger. Here I will use WordPress Blogger or WordPress blog. At the end of this video, I will give a bonus tips for those who will do on-page SEO. First, we need to know the pattern of the blog. First one is heading. First one is heading. Heading and H1 tag. Second is image. Second is image or features image. Next, paragraph. Para. Next is again heading. H2 tag here. Next, para and image. Next, optional H3 tag or para heading or sub heading here. H3 or subheading means. Next is image again. Okay, this pattern we follow. First is heading, then features image, then paragraph, then H2 tag, paragraph and image. Next, H3 is optional or subheading here, then image. Next, after image, add the paragraph and end of your blog. This pattern we follow here. If you can cover this topic in your blog, then some keyword may rank. Okay. This keyword this pattern we follow or this topic we covered in our WordPress blog or Blogger website. Next, open your dashboard, posts and all posts and add new. This topic we cover here: keyword, 600 word minimum, post title, H1 tag, H2 tag, paragraph, 3 to 4 image and link. First, title or keyword. Here add keyword. Keyword means title of your post. This is my medical website. First here copy this symptom and keyword. I will make a video on how to do keyword research in SEO and how to optimize it. This keyword we research Google Keyword Planner or Ahrefs tool. Here I use Google Keyword Planner. And here keyword matcher. Okay, this keyword we are tooth and growing out of gum child. Copy this one and paste here. These are H1 tag. First complete keyword and complete post title. Post title and keyword cover. And H1 tag will be cover here. Post title is the H1 tag. Next, image. Image or paragraph here. First add the image. Features image, media library, this one, and set features image. Images add the blog or paragraph. Here we use demo content, lorem ipsum. Copy and paste. This is the first paragraph. Next is H1 tag, sorry, H2 tag. Copy the same title and paste here. And select the heading and H2 tag. Next, paragraph. And 600 word. $734 present in my content. And here we use RankMate SEO. So copy the title and focus keyword or main keyword. So paragraph is complete and keyword should be complete and H2 tag complete. 3 to 4 image between the paragraph. Image, select image, two image here add in my content. Image, select. Then analysis, what we need. Focus keyword not found in your SEO meta description. Okay. Next is use focus keyword in the URL. And next, focus keyword does not appear in the beginning of your content. Okay, this is my focus keyword, and paste beginning of your content and bold. Next, the additional. Add an image with your focus keyword as alt text. Here add another image, select image, media library, here focus keyword is tooth growing out of gum child. Copy this one and paste the alt text and select. And focus keyword found in image alt text or attribute. The next is keyword densities 0.97. The focus keyword and combination appear 2 times. Means your focus keyword use less than 2. Paste here 3 times and 4 times, or for example. Okay. And next is link out to external resource. Add do follow link pointing the external resource and internal link in your content. Here we discuss the bonus tips of your blog. Here we give you 2 bonus tips: right keyword and hidden keyword. What is right keyword? After end your blog, write keyword and copy all keyword here. Okay, add one by one. Here we add 3 keyword. Next is you do more keyword research and writing on your blog and keep the keyword link to your main website and blog website. For example, this is my blog website. Copy this link and paste here. Okay. For same process, add these 2. Then a backlink will be created here. Next is hidden keyword. When the Google search engine analyzes your website, it will add that keyword on your website in hidden. For example, HTML, Here write this keyword href copy this URL and paste here and write inline CSS here. Thank you.